Hello friends, in this video we will solve some interesting problems, and before that please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more notifications. Thank you. So let us go to the problems. Question number 1. Solve the equation uh, x power 9 minus x power 5 plus x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. So for that, let us consider the equation x power 9 minus x power 5 minus 1 is equal to 0. So can I write x power 9 as x power 5 into x power 4 minus x power 5 plus x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Take x power 5 outside. So remains x power 4 minus 1 plus x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now x power 4 minus 1 take out common and x power 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we have two parts, first part and second part. That means what? Either x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0 or x power 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. So basically to find we have one formula to find nth roots of a complex number. What is the formula? R power 1 by n into cis of 2k pi plus theta divided by n, where k is equal to, right, and so on, n minus 1. Now coming to first problem, there is x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0, and the second one is x power 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. X power 4, so can I write it as x power 4 is equal to 1? That means x is equal to 1 whole power 1 by 4, whereas here x power 5 is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 whole power 5. Now let us see the arguments. When the point is 1 comma 0, that means if the point is 1 means 1 comma 0, then theta is equal to 0. If it is minus 1 comma 0, if the point is minus 1 comma 0, theta is equal to pi. Now we will use here r is equal to 1, theta is equal to 0. Here r is equal to 1, theta is equal to pi. So how r is equal to 1? That is root over x square plus y square. 1 square plus 0 square. Minus 1 whole square plus 0 square. Now let us use this formula. So 1 whole power 1 by 4 is equal to 1 power 1 by 4 into cis of 2k pi plus 0 means nothing divided by 4. Here r is that means minus 1 whole power 1 by 5 is equal to 1 power 1 by 5 cis of 2k pi plus pi divided by 5. Here the values of k are, here the values of k are 0, 1, 2, 3. Here the values of k are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now, cis of first substitute the values are I'm writing now, that is equal to, first if you substitute 0, you will get cis 0. Next one, cis if you substitute 1, anyway this will be pi by 2. 1 if you substitute, it is cis pi by 2. Next, cis 2, 2 if you substitute k as 2, 2 to cancel, you will get cis pi. If you substitute k as 3, that is cis 3 pi by 2. Coming to here, k is equal to 0. If you substitute, what you will get? Anyway, I can write it as in simplified form, cis of 2k plus 1 into pi by 5. So if you substitute k as 0, you will get cis pi by 5 and cis, if you substitute 1, 2 plus 1, 3 pi by 5. Next 2, 2 to the 4, 5 pi by 5, which means you can cancel this 5 and 5. So cis pi, this is. Next cis, if you substitute 3, 3 to the 6, 7 pi by 5, 7 pi by 5. And next one is cis 4 to the 8, 9 pi by 5. These are the 5 roots, that means 5 values of x. Here we have 4 roots of this x. So total this 4, this 5, total 9 solutions. Since 0 means cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 plus I sin 0. You will get cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So in the same way, cos pi by 2, 0. You will get I. Cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi is minus 1. This you will get minus 1. So therefore, the solutions are, the solutions are plus 1 is there, minus 1 is there, so this is minus I. Plus or minus 1 comma plus or minus I along with this cis pi by 5, cis 3 pi by 5, and so on, 9 pi by 5. So these are the solutions, total 9 solutions. Find the number of 15th roots of 1 which are also 25th roots of 1. So here let us consider z is equal to 1. 15th roots of 1 means z power, that is 1 power 1 by 15. Using the same previous formula, I can write anyway here r is 1, theta is 0. So r power 1 by n, that is 1 power 1 by 5 into cis 2k pi by 5, which is equal to cis 2k pi by 5. 2k pi by, sorry, not 5, 15. 15. Okay, ma. Where k is equal to what? 0, 1, 2, and so on, 14. Okay, n minus 1, so that is 14. Here, in the same way, 25th roots of 1. Same formula, 1 power 1 by 25. Cis of 2 some L. Consider some 2 L pi by 25. Because already we have here taken K. So that's why here consider L. So which is cis 2L pi by 25. L is equal to 0, 1, 2, and so on, 24. Actually, here 15 solutions, here 15 solutions, here 25 solutions we have. They are saying that find the number of 15th roots of 1, which are also 25th roots of 1. That means indirectly the common roots, the number of common roots. What are the number of common roots between these values? So for that, to find required number of roots, required number of roots, let us consider this because this is cis, this is cis. Let us equate 2k pi by 15 is equal to 2l pi by 25. Here 2 cancel, pi cancel. Here 3 5s are, here 5 5s are. Which means what? So k by 3 is equal to L by 5, which means 5k is equal to 3L. So the values which satisfies this relation, the combinations of k comma L. So the combinations of k comma L which satisfies satisfies, let us consider this is 1, satisfies 1. That will give you the number of common roots, the number of common roots. Now we will find that combinations. Here let us consider k and l, k and l. That means the possibilities of k comma l which satisfies this equation. Suppose if I substitute k as 0 and l as 0, will it satisfies 1? Yes. If I substitute k as 3, it is 15. Then I should substitute l as 5. That means 3 comma 5. See, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Next, next thing is if I substitute 6 here, substitute 6 here, 5 6 are 30. 3 10s are 30. Correct? See, 5 6 are 30, 3 10s are 30. Next combination, 9. Let us consider 9. 5 9s are 45. Here L should be 15. 15 3s are 45. Next, 5 12s are 60. So that means K is 5. Sorry, 12. K is 12. Then L should be, this is 60 means this should be 20. So more than that we cannot take because here only 14 roots are there. 14 k values are only up to 14 you can consider. So that means how many combinations are there, ma? 1 2 3 4 5. Therefore required number of roots is equal to 5 roots are common in units of 15th units of 1 and 25th units of 1. Next question, find the product of all values of 1 plus I whole power 4 by 5. For that, 1 plus I whole power 4 by 5, which is equal to, can I write it as 1 plus I whole square, again whole square, whole power 1 by 5, ma? Because 2 2s are 4, 4 into 1 4 by 5. 1 plus I whole square is I square minus 1, 1 minus 1 cancel, 2I whole square whole power 1 by 5, which is equal to 2I square is 4I square, 2I whole square is 4I square, I square is minus 1. So this is minus 4 whole power 1 5. So we need to find the product of all the values of this one. How many values we will get here? 5. So that means fifth roots of minus 4 we need to write using the formula. So r is equal to, that is point is minus 4 comma 0, then r is root over minus 4 whole square plus 0 square, which is equal to 4, and theta is equal to, clearly it is negative x-axis, minus 4 comma 0, which means theta is equal to pi. Theta is equal to pi. Now we will write the according to the formula, minus r power, that is 4 power 1 by 5 into cis of 2k pi plus pi, that is 2k plus 1 into pi by 5. 2k plus 1 into pi by 5 you will get. I have written directly this one. K values are 0 1 2 3 4. Now what we need to find, by substituting these values as 0 1 in place of k, 0 1 2 3 4, we will get 5 values, right? The product of those values we need to find. Okay, suppose first if I substitute the values are the, first we will see the what are the values. The values are, first substitute 0, that you will get 4 power 1 by 5 into cis pi by 5. Correct? Second, k as 1, 4 power 1 by 5, cis of 2 plus 1 3, 3 pi by 5. And next, cis of, that is 4 power 1 by 5 is there again, 4 power 1 by 5 into cis of 2, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 pi by 5, which means it is anyway 5 only. 5 5 cancel, pi remains. Next, 4 power 1 by 5 into 3, 2 3 are 6, that is 6, 7 pi by 5. Next, last one, 4 power 1 by 5 into 9 pi by 5. Cis of 9 pi by 5. Now we need to, anyway, here, what is cis pi m? Cis pi is equal to minus 1 because cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi is minus 1. So that minus 1 you can put outside. Therefore, product of all these values is equal to 4 minus, you just keep outside, 4 power 1 by 5 into 4 power 1 by 5 into 4 power 1 by 5 into 4 power 1. How many times it is? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Next, cis pi by 5, cis 3 pi by 5, cis 7 pi by 5 into cis 9 pi by 5. Correct? No? That is equal to minus 4 power 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, 5 by 5. Right? Into here, cis A into cis B. If we have cis A into cis B, can I write it as cis of A plus B? In the same way, by using the property, if 3 are there, add 3, 4, 4 add, like that. Here, cis of multiplication is there, add all these things. 3 pi by 5 plus 7 pi by 5 plus 9 pi by 5. That is equal to minus 4 power 1 into cis of pi, this is 7 plus 3, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 20, 20 pi by 5. That means 20 pi by 5 is 4 pi. Correct? 20 pi by 5. So minus 4 into cos 4 pi plus I sin 4 pi. What is cos 4 pi? Cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So minus 4 into this is 1 plus I into 0. That is equal to minus 4 is the answer. So therefore, the product of all these values is minus 4. Next question. If n is a positive integer, show that p plus iq whole power n plus p minus iq whole power n is equal to twice p square plus q square whole power 1 by 2n into cos of 1 by n tan inverse q by p, which is very, very important question. So for this, consider the whole problem into two parts first. Like z is equal to p plus iq, then clearly z bar is equal to p minus iq. Okay, then what is modulus of z bar? That is square root of p square plus q square. Here also r means modulus of z bar, that is square root of p square plus minus q whole square, minus q whole square, which is equal to square root of p square plus q square. So r is nothing but, let us consider it as equation number 1. We will see about it later. Next, theta is nothing but alpha, that is tan inverse q by p. Let us consider alpha as tan inverse q by p. Consider it as equation number 2. Okay, theta is alpha. Now here also theta will be minus alpha, but alpha is nothing but tan inverse q by p. So this becomes minus tan inverse q by p. Okay, now let us write p plus iq in polar form. What is polar form, amma? What is polar form of p plus iq? That is r into cos alpha plus I sin alpha. So but we need what? P plus iq whole power 1 by n, that is equal to r power 1 by n into cos alpha plus I sin alpha whole power 1 by n. Correct? That is equal to 1 by r is okay, just keep it as r power n only. By De Moivre's theorem statement, can I write it as cos 1 by n alpha plus I sin 1 by n alpha? Let it be equation number 3. Okay, now coming to here, P minus IQ is equal to, again, R into cos of theta is nothing but cos of minus alpha plus I into sine of minus alpha, correct? Theta is nothing but minus alpha. R into cos of minus alpha, cos of negative is positive, so cos alpha here minus I sine alpha, because sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Now we need P minus IQ whole power 1 by n, because here in the LHS part P plus IQ whole power 1 by n. Next P minus IQ whole power 1 by n, that we are finding here. So R into cos alpha minus I sin alpha whole to the power 1 by n, correct amma? Now that is equal to R power 1 by n separate, and by De Moivre's theorem multiply alpha with 1 by n, that is cos 1 by n alpha minus I sin 1 by n alpha. Let it be equation number 4. Now simply add 3 and 4. So left hand side is P plus IQ whole power 1 by n, P minus IQ whole power 1 by n. This is P plus IQ, this is P minus IQ. Now right hand side. See, observe in the right hand side, R power 1 by n here common, here common. So take out overall R power 1 by n as common. Then write the remaining parts. Cos 1 by n alpha plus I sin 1 by n alpha plus cos 1 by n alpha minus I sin 1 by n alpha. Now these two negative terms are cancelled. R power 1 by n into cos 1 by n alpha plus cos 1 by n alpha is 2 cos 1 by n alpha. Correct? Now here, see, right here. What is R from equation 1? In the equation 1, we have written R value. R is nothing but root over P square plus Q square. Alpha is tan inverse Q by P. That we have to write now. So, that's if you substitute, you will get the answer. So R is square root of P square plus Q square whole to the power 1 by n 2 into cos of 1 by n alpha is nothing but tan inverse Q by P from equation 1 and 2. Now root means what? Power 1 by 2, correct? P square plus Q square power 1 by 2 power 1 by n, which means power 2n, 1 by 2 power n. 2 right outside, cos of 1 by n tan inverse Q by P, hence prove. So this is the solution. So by practicing, you will understand and you can clearly solve it. So next question, show that one of the value of this whole part is minus 1. I'm taking LHS, 1 plus sin pi by 8 plus I cos pi by 8. Denominator also same, but whereas here it is minus whole power 8 by 3. So here just use some logic, that is sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos of 90 minus theta sin theta. That's a basic point. So now can I write it as 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus pi by 8? What is pi by 2 minus pi by 8? 3 pi by 8. So I can write it as cos 3 pi by 8 plus I into similarly sine 3 pi by 8 divided by 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 minus I sine 3 pi by 8. Here use some formulas like 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, correct? Use the formulas. Here whole power 8 by 3. So 1 plus cos theta, this is theta, so I can write 2 cos square, that is 2 cos square. Theta by 2 means 3 pi by 8 by 2, that is 3 pi by 8 by 2 is 16, plus I into 2 sine 3 pi by 16 cos 3 pi by 16 whole divided by, here also same thing, 2 cos square 3 pi by 16 minus 2 sine cos 3 pi by 16 whole to the power 8 by 3. Right now? Now, what I can take out common here inside, 2 cos 3 pi by 16 take out and common, cancel. 2 cos 3 pi by 16 remains what? Cos 3 pi by 16 plus I sine 3 pi by 16 divided by 2 cos 3 pi by 16, take out common. Here cos 3 pi by 16 minus I sin pi by 16, 3 whole to the power 8 by 3, right? Now these two terms, let's cancel, and now here numerator and denominator for those power 8 by 3. Apply De Moivre's theorem. By applying De Moivre's theorem statement. So multiply 8 by 3 with 3 pi by 16 for all the terms. 3 pi by 16 into 8 by 3. Here also same. So this is 2, 3, 3 cancel. So remains what? Pi by 2. Here also same thing, right? Sine pi by 2 divided by cos, that is pi by 2 only, minus I sine pi by 2 multiplying with 8 by 3 so 3 3 cancel, here 2 remains, pi by 2. Here also same thing, no? So directly I'm writing pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 value is how much? Cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1, so this is 0 plus I into 0 divided by 0 minus I into 0, so sorry, this is 1, 1 sin 90 1, 0 minus I into 1, which is equal to I by minus I, which is equal to minus 1. So this is the answer. Next sum, solve x minus 1 whole power n is equal to x power n. So for that, take x power n left side, power n whole power n, you write it as whole power n is equal to 1. So from this, x minus 1 by x will be 1 power 1 by n, nth roots of unity, cis of 2k pi plus theta by n, right, where k is equal to 0 1 2 and so on, n minus 1. So as we are doing from since many problems, 1 minus 1 by x is equal to, here I'm separating the terms, x by x 1, 1 by x, 1 power 1 by n into cis of theta is 0, so 2k pi by n. So cis 2k pi by n means cos plus I sine. So I'm taking 1 by x this side and this term this side. 1 minus cos is nothing but what? 2 sine square. So use this formula. So 2 sine square k pi by n minus I into 2 sine k, 2 sine 2a formula. 2 sine theta cos k pi by n, because 2 theta sine 2 theta formula only, it is under the form of sine 2a, this is in the form of cos 2a, so we are using these formulas, is equal to 1 by x. So which is common? 2 sine k pi by n, take out common, you will get sine k pi by n minus I cos k pi by n is equal to 1 by x. But we need x. So take the reciprocal, that is sine k pi by n minus I sine, that is 1 by, sorry, 1 by cos k pi by n into 2 sine k pi by n. Correct? Here 1 by 2 sine k pi by n, keep it like that, using the rationalizing factor. That means multiply and divided by sine k pi by n plus I cos k pi by n. Denominator will be what? Already minus term is there. Here multiplied with plus term, a plus ib into a minus ib is a square plus b square. You will get sine square k pi by n minus I square. I square is plus 1, cos square k pi by n. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is how much? You know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So which is equal to sine k pi by n plus remaining terms I'm writing divided by 2 sine k pi by n. Okay, that is equal to, now separate the terms, 1 by 2, take out sine k pi by sine k pi by 1 plus I into cos by sine is cot k pi by n. So these are the solution. This is the solution for the given problem. So this is the end of the de Moivre's theorem topic. Thank you for watching. So please subscribe and press the bell icon to get more notifications and to get more video classes. Thank you.